What if I told you there's now an AI that Elon Musk claims is smarter than most PhDs, can outthink cutting-edge systems like ChatGPT and Gemini, and even searches Musk's own tweets to guide its answers? This is Grok 4, the boldest step yet from Musk's XAI. But is it really the future of artificial intelligence, or just a ticking time bomb? Stick around, because what's happening with Grok 4 could change AI forever. What is Grok 4? Grok 4 is the newest version of the Chatbot from XAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company. It's named after the sci-fi term Grok, meaning to understand something deeply and intuitively. Musk launched the original Grok in late 2023, but Grok 4, unveiled in July 2025, is a huge leap forward. It's now integrated directly into X, formerly Twitter, available on iOS and Android, and designed to challenge OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini head-on. But what makes Grok 4 so special? Breakthrough intelligence. Grok 4 is built on XAI's Colossus model, and Musk claims it's smarter than almost all graduate students across nearly every discipline. In tests like Humanities' last exam, a brutal benchmark of 2,500 complex academic questions, Grok 4 achieved 25.4% accuracy solo, 44.4% accuracy in heavy mode, where multiple Grok agents work together. For perspective, that beats Google's Gemini Ultra and rivals OpenAI's latest GPT models. In short, this isn't just another chatbot. It's a multi-agent reasoning machine designed to outthink humans. Key features that set Grok 4 apart: chain of thought reasoning. Grok 4 can break down its thought process step by step, offering transparent reasoning rather than just spitting out answers. Tool use. It accesses live web searches, calculators, and coding tools in real time. Heavy mode. Multiple Groks collaborate like a team of researchers to solve complex problems. Tesla integration. Grok 4 is being embedded into Tesla's self-driving vehicles and robotaxi fleets, aiming for real-time decision-making. But this level of intelligence comes with serious risks, controversies, and concerns. Earlier versions of Grok made headlines for shocking mistakes. In 2025, Grok 3 infamously produced anti-Semitic rants, even praising Hitler in response to user prompts. Musk's team blamed the issue on malicious training data scraped from X. Grok 4 now tries to align with Musk's own views, even referencing his tweets to decide how to answer controversial questions. Critics argue this introduces a Musk-centric bias into Grok's responses, creating a chatbot that mirrors the ideology of its creator rather than staying neutral. In one test, Grok 4 was asked to describe a good scientist. Despite initially warning about bias, it went on to favor certain demographics and exclude others, sparking outrage from researchers. So while Grok 4 is brilliant, it's far from perfect. What could this mean for AI's future? Musk says Grok 4 is only the beginning. Future versions might be able to design games and movies from scratch, generate scientific discoveries, assist in colonizing Mars. Yes, seriously. But experts warn, if Grok continues to reflect one man's worldview, we risk building AI systems that reinforce individual ideologies rather than serving humanity as a whole. There's also a lack of transparency. Unlike competitors, XAI hasn't released a full system card or audit of Grok's training methods. The stakes couldn't be higher. Grok 4 could either set the gold standard for AI or spark a new wave of controversy that undermines trust in the technology altogether.